Hey everybody, so it's been a year and I thought that I would do an update on this grill because I really like it. This is the Royal Gourmet. It's got 6 burners and it's got a Sear burner as well. It ended up getting pretty windy on us, but we got 5 regular burners, we got a Sear burner, and then we have a side burner for pots and pans and things. As you can see, you got a lot of grill space. Right now I do have it on, I'm getting it hot to use and have everything burn off and everything, but it gets really hot. I got the Sear side going as well. That's going to get super hot. Now I don't use the Sear side very often, but I was asked a couple different times if I would show that in the next video I did, so I want to show that as well. Right now it's still in the process of heating. Of course, down here you'll put your regular propane tank. You can fit 1 propane tank down here. Over here, like I said, you got your regular burner like you would find on your stovetop. It works very, very well. I don't use it very often, but it's nice for in the summertime when you're trying to keep your kitchen from getting too warm. That same starter will start all of them. All right, as soon as this is ready here shortly, I will go ahead and start firing things up and just show you it cooking in a little bit. All right, now to show you that Sear burner here. So you'll see that it does get a nice sear. Now if we come over to like one of the regular burners, you'll see that it doesn't have nearly the sear for the same amount of time. So you get a nice quick sear when you use that Sear burner there. And to show that I actually do use that side burner here and there, I have this old pan from the 1940s, great for this stuff. Anyway, if you are looking for a really good grill, I've been really happy with this one. It's been working great for the last year, and you can fit a lot of food on it.